How to download Telegram app on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily download and install the Telegram app on your iPhone, whether you're new to Telegram or just setting it up. I'll guide you through the entire process. So let's get started. First things first, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and simply type in Telegram. Now look for the official Telegram app in the search results, and it should be with a blue and white logo. Now simply tap on Get button next to the Telegram app and you will be able to confirm your Apple ID or use Face Touch ID to authorize the download. Once you've confirmed the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Once the app is downloaded, simply open it to launch Telegram right from the App Store. Now that you have Telegram installed, you can set up your account by entering your phone number and verifying it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and set up the Telegram app on your iPhone.